Welcome to our kitchen.
Today we are making chocolate milk. Hi guys, I'm back.
We're going to show you guys a quick, fast way to make chocolate milk at home. So the first thing we're going to do is start with our measuring cup. So we're going to start with
Cocoa powder and sugar.
We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. First, pour in the sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Great. Plus 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Just put all that into a measuring cup because we like mixing in measuring cups. Now we're going to start with our whisk. You can zoom out. And while we're doing that, she's going to pour in some warm water just from the tap. And this is what we do. This is our secret step. We do this to help get rid of the lumps. So this sugar and water is now going to start dissolving. And it's going to help us break apart the lumps in the cocoa powder. If you've ever just poured cocoa powder straight into milk, you know that you end up with those like chocolate clumps and then you drink them and you're like, ugh. So we bypass that by adding a little bit of water. And you mix that, let me know, Chef, when you're ready, when it looks nice and smooth. And one last thing, as it gets a little sticky on the side, we're just going to tilt it around to make sure we really don't have any clumps stuck on the side. The last thing we do is add in a cup of milk. And then mix it up again.
Chocolate.
And now we're ready. Pour it into a cup. And we have our homemade chocolate milk ready to go. Thanks. We'll be back next week with more tips.